Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another opportunity for us to be together again, and it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so many people have done this, and you too can also do the same. Quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 on 5 minutes time frame, and of course this I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right here. This has been on a very strong uptrend, and it has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. It pulled back, and of course it went back up again, still unable to break out from this particular weak resistance. So it will be going down to try out this support zone again. Once it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on downtrend before, going back on uptrend. Right from this support zone, it went back on uptrend, got to this resistance, a pullback, and it's trying it out again. Once it breaks out above it, then this is the next position. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and of course, just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend before, but right from there it started a downtrend, got to this support zone, pull back. It will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to be selling more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. Just where we have seen it, this had been it had been on uptrend for a very long time, but got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it. So right now it is selling, and it is going to be selling more, but watch out for this support zone around here. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. This had been on a very strong uptrend, but it got to this sub resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it's pulled back. Okay, it came back on sell trend, but got to this particular support zone and was unable to break out from there, so it went back on uptrend. But right now it will be coming down to try out this support zone again. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all the assets that we are able to come up with, and of course everything I have explained in this video, make sure you understand it and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect a trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.